Today I share with you how to cook Nigerian rice and beans. If you're a Nigerian, you will know what I mean by rice and beans. We don't joke here. So guys, let's see how this is being done. Over here, I'm making use of brown beans. So that is why I first of all get that parboiled. So now that the beans have cooked for just 5 minutes, I'm going to turn that inside this steamer so that I will go there and wash it so nice. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll first of all get rid of this first water. So I'm going to add in this clean water so that I will get the beans rinsed. So I'm going to do this about 3 to 4 occasions until the brown color just go out and I have white water. So that is the time I'm going to make use of it. So this is the third water. I will still add that water. So at this point, the beans has washed so nice and it's ready for me to use. So guys, follow this process if you are cooking your brown beans. If not, you are not going to love the color. At this point, it's ready to use. I just turn that inside this cooking pot. Over here, we have already washed rice. I'm going to turn that over. Next, I'm going to be adding is this red bell pepper. Then adding salt to taste. Stir that together. So, are you going to ask me why did I add this red bell pepper? My people. If you haven't tried this process, begin to share this video because you have to make your Nigeria beans this way. Nigeria rice and beans must be cooked like this. Add the cooking oil, a little bit of it, then add in chopped onions. Cover this to get cooked 100%. By the time this thing cook, my people, hey, by the time you open this pot like this, like the kind of aroma you are going to be receiving this time is like massive. All I do now is to just get rid of this red bell pepper. I'm just going to bring it out from the beans. So guys, this rice and beans is setting so nice. At this point, you don't even need stew to eat your rice and beans. You can easily eat your rice and beans like this. This was just so delicious. My people, I followed this process to cook this rice and beans because it was just so massive. It was sweeting so nice. You don't even need stew anymore, but trust me, this was really delicious. Like these onions and this bell pepper give this rice a very good flavor. So now it's time for me to serve for us to enjoy, guys. This rice and beans is massive. If you haven't done your rice and beans like this is the right time to give it a try. This is what we eat in Nigeria. We love eating rice and beans. When I served my husband this rice and beans, it was like after how many years? This is my first time eating this again. That is because we overlook this food, guys. We overrate this food, which is not good. This is just so good for health, and this is just the best way to enjoy rice when you add beans on it. It's totally different food entirely because it comes with a lot of nutrients and delicious come for it. Anyway, guys, try this for your family. They are going to appreciate you. My husband was so happy when I get this store, and me was so excited that he loved it. In my next one, guys, share this video and try this out. Bye.